the episode of Coding with Kabir. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be discussing with you guys how can you guys use try and catch in Java. So this video is going to be fun, and without any further ado, let's roll on our intro. Okay, so hello everybody, and I already told you that we're going to be doing try and catch. Without any further ado, first things first, let's open IntelliJ IDEA. In this video, I'm actually going to be discussing two ways. One, which you can use try and catch, and in the other, how can you not use try and catch. In today's video only, how can you not use try and catch and then use if condition. Otherwise, my preference is try and catch, but I'm just telling guys the different ways. So try and catch. We can say try catch. And let's click on enter. And let's wait for the project to load. So just click double shift if sometimes it works. So first we want to import the scanner class, and the way we do that is say scanner. It will give you a suggestion after type the second time scn equals new. When it doesn't, you say system dot in and a semicolon, and on line number 1 we need to say import java.util.scanner and a semicolon. Now there's no error. So first of all, we're going to be making a really basic program, and it's going to be usually going to be entering two numbers, and we're going to divide, add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So first things first, we need to do is we need to say system dot out dot println, and then inside that we can say enter a number, and we can say integer x is equal to scn.next int, and then we just repeat the process. We can copy the line, and instead of saying enter a number, we can say enter a second number, and then here we can say y, integer y equal to scn.next int, and then it's a really easy process. We can say integer res is equals to x plus y, and res1 and a semicolon, and we're gonna say system dot out dot println, and inside that we can say res1, and we can copy this, and we can actually have a text, and inside the text we can say the addition of the two numbers is res1. Copy paste. So we can just copy paste the new println statement with that. And then we can print it, and we can say res2, and we can say res2 and subtraction for the second, and we can say the subtracted, where the subtraction is subtraction of the two numbers, res2. I'll just copy that and I'll paste that on like res3, and I'll say the multiplication multiplied. And I'll say times shift 8, and I'll say res3, and I'll do the same with division, res4. I'll say slash, and we can say res4, and we can say the division. So this was cool, and now let's actually test it out. So when we divide the numbers and the second number is a 0, it's just going to give the correct option for res 1, 2, and 3, but it's not going to give us the correct output for res 4, which I'm going to be discussing with you guys. So I'm going to enter number 12, and let's test this out first. We're getting all the 4 addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all the 4 operators, and enter a number being the 12, and now we can say 0 and see only 3 numbers. So see, now it's giving us an error. So first I'm going to be telling how can we do it, solve it with the help of an try-catch block, and then I'm going to be discussing with you guys how can we use it with the if condition. So first we need to say try, bracket and bracket at the end, and then we need to say catch, brackets, and then inside we need to say arithmetic exception, brackets, and we can say after that we can say E, and we can say system dot out dot println. E is just the name for the integer. You guys can name whatever you want, and then we just print E. And now look how easy it is. We just need to say 0, and it's going to say arithmetic exception, number cannot be 0. 12, 0. See, Java lambda arithmetic exception by 0. That's not possible. Now let's try to do it with an if condition, if block. So first we need to say if brackets, curly braces ending after the println line, and inside that we want to say if y is not equal to 0, then we run the code. Else we say system dot out dot println the you cannot divide a number by 0. Now let's test it. And enter number, you can say 12, again 0. You cannot divide a number by 0. So yeah, this is a quick video on regarding to the try and catch block and how can we also do it using an if condition. And yeah, if you have any questions related to coding, you guys can email me at my email, which is paseenkabir@gmail.com. You guys can see it in the description below. And yeah, until next time, it's me, Kabir, logging off.